Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's ever struggled with getting that perfect curl, you're not alone. We all know the hassle of trying to get your hair to curl just right, but what if I told you there's a device that takes the guesswork out of the process? Meet the INFINITI Pro Conair Curl Secret Automatic Curling Iron. This tool promises effortless, magical curls with just a touch of a button. So let's dive into how well this curling iron performs and whether it really delivers on its promises. First, let's break down what this product is all about. The INFINITI Pro Conair Curl Secret comes with a 4-inch curling barrel and automatic curl technology, designed to make curling your hair easier and faster than ever before. With the press of a button, the curling iron draws your hair into the curl chamber, holds it in place, and applies heat to create the curl. No more guessing if your hair is perfectly wrapped around the barrel. The machine does the work for you. Now, onto customization. One of the standout features of this curling iron is the ability to choose from 3 curl types and 3 curl directions. Whether you're after loose beach waves, defined curls, or soft bouncy waves, you have the flexibility to adjust the settings. This makes it a great tool for any style, no matter your preference. And since everyone's hair type is different, the INFINITI Pro Curl Secret comes with 5 ceramic heat settings, ranging from a lower heat for fine or damaged hair to a higher heat of up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit for thick, unruly locks. This helps reduce heat damage while still delivering glossy, bouncy curls. When it comes to real-world use, I was immediately impressed by how easy it was to incorporate this curling iron into my routine. The automatic curling mechanism really takes the guesswork out of the equation. Simply section your hair, place it in the curl chamber, and press the button. In just a few seconds, your curl is ready. The tangle-free technology worked wonders, ensuring my hair didn't get stuck, and the protective barrel cover provided extra peace of mind. One thing I do recommend is using smaller sections of hair if you're aiming for tighter curls. This helps achieve that defined, salon-worthy finish. However, with larger sections, you can easily create relaxed, natural waves. Now, let's talk about performance. The automatic curl feature works flawlessly most of the time, delivering smooth, uniform curls every time. That said, there's a slight learning curve when it comes to getting the direction and curl type just right. For those new to this device, it may take a few tries to get the hang of it, but once you figure it out, you'll be flying through your styling routine. My hair held the curls for hours, and I was particularly impressed by how glossy and voluminous they looked, even without a touch-up. The heat control made it easy to avoid any heat damage, a big win for me since I tend to be cautious with heat styling tools. Of course, no product is without its drawbacks. One downside to the INFINITI Pro Curl Secret is the barrel size. While the 1/4-inch barrel is great for tighter curls, it may not be the best fit for those looking for looser waves. It would have been nice to have more barrel size options. Additionally, the design is a bit bulky, so it may not be the most travel-friendly option for everyone, especially if you're used to a more compact curling iron. In terms of value for money, this tool offers good bang for your buck, especially considering its automatic curling technology. While it's priced on the higher end of curling irons, the performance justifies the cost. If you're looking for a tool that delivers consistent results with minimal effort, this is a solid investment. When comparing the INFINITI Pro Curl Secret to other curling irons on the market, it holds its ground with unique features like the automatic curl chamber and multiple heat settings. Similar models from other brands, like the Beautyistic Curl Secret, are priced similarly, but Conair's version offers more flexibility with its 3 curl directions and 3 curl types, making it a bit more versatile. As far as build quality goes, the materials feel solid and the heat control is reliable. The 360-degree swivel cord is a small detail that makes a big difference, especially if you're working in tight spaces or have a lot of hair to curl. The auto-off feature is also a nice safety touch, so you don't have to worry about leaving the iron on by mistake. One thing I appreciate is Conair's reputation for customer support. While I haven't had to contact them directly for this product, Conair is generally known for their responsive and helpful customer service, so you can feel confident in your purchase. If you're considering a similar product, There are alternatives at different price points, like the Remington Pro 1-inch curling iron or the Bedhead Curlipops, which are more budget-friendly. However, they lack the automatic curl feature and the customizable settings that make the INFINITI Pro Curl Secret a standout. So to sum up, this curling iron does deliver on its promise of easy, bouncy curls with less heat damage. It's well suited for anyone looking for an easy-to-use, versatile styling tool that gives salon-quality results at home. While it's not the best option for those who want super loose waves, it excels at creating defined, long-lasting curls. If you're in the market for a curling iron that takes the work out of styling, this one is definitely worth considering. But if you're more of a wave lover and find the barrel size too small for your taste, there are other options to explore. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the description box for a link to purchase the INFINITI Pro Conair Curl Secret. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.